Hi everyone, today I am very excited to share with you this ornamental ecosystem pond project we have executed in Hyderabad and the area near Merchant. This is a holiday home and the client had a very unique set of requirements where he wanted this pond to have to be extremely low maintenance and be self-sustaining. So what we have done here is that we have designed and executed an ornamental ecosystem pond with a waterfall feature. Again, the client had a very specific requirement where he wanted the sound of the waterfall to elevate the outdoor experience. And we hope you enjoy seeing the complete pond project as much as we enjoyed executing this.